Michael, would you, if you're prosecuting here, try to poke the bear a little bit and see if you could get him to explode in front of the jury?
I hadn't thought about that till you brought it up, Ted. That's actually not a bad idea. Yeah, if I was the prosecutor, I know that I have a person who's sober now, but has substance abuse issues, and he's been volatile. And even the judge told him, look, judges and lawyers were a little bit more nuanced than you. We know the courtroom. So yeah, actually, that might not be a bad idea. And at the end of the day, once the finger gets pointed at him, especially by the getaway driver, and that testimony comes up as credible, I'm really interested in seeing his demeanor then, right? Maybe that's when he will explode and become volatile. But I agree with you. If the prosecutor can touch a nerve and get him off in front of the jury, because think about it, if he does, that was outside of the presence of the jury, but if it was in the presence of the jury, and the whole point is this person stabbed a woman to death, they could see that. They could make the connection that this is this type of person, he's very volatile. So yeah, if I was a prosecutor, I would want the jury to see him being very volatile. I agree with you. That's actually a pretty good strategy. Maybe the prosecutor should listen to this broadcast and take that advice, because actually I think that would be a big thing. By the way, not the same thing, but the Ted Bundy trials. That's one of the tips that the prosecutors did. Again, this guy's not Ted Bundy, but that's actually a tactic.
Yeah, to just let them hang themselves with a long enough rope and give them that opportunity through frustration, because it is frustrating. You see, and the other part of the equation is you want that passion, you want that emotion, but you want it from the lawyer so that you don't make, as a juror, that connection like, oh, that guy's a little crazy. He might have done it.
Yeah.
When it's the lawyer who's upset, then it's more like, oh, that lawyer's upset. There might be something to this. So that's a fine line that he's trying to walk, and it's a difficult one. All right, we need a break. Top of the hour. Michael, thank you as always for joining us. Appreciate it. Enjoy.